Hi guys, Kevin Wu here. I am so happy to announce that I'll be collaborating with STYLEKOREAN and Centellian24 to share all of my favorite skincare products with you guys. A lot of you guys have been curious about my skincare routine, so I wanted you guys to try these products out as well at home. So I came up with an idea to make this Kevin's Favorites Beauty Box, limited edition, and it includes all my favorite skincare products, so let's see what's inside the box. Alright, what's inside the box? Ta-da! Sound effects, sound effects. So these are all the items that are in this box, and it's not everything that I use daily, but these are the most essential ones. Alright, so the first item, it's called the Relief Cleansing Foam. And this is, the most important step to wash your face day and night. And then after you wash your face, you're gonna wipe your face with this relief toner. And this calms your face down and soothes it and makes it moisturized. And after this step, you're going to put on this Madeca Vital Capsule Serum. And what this does, it brightens your face and also improves wrinkles. So I think this is really important. And then after the serum, you're gonna seal the deal with this Madeca Cream. And this locks in all the moisture in your face, and it's really good before you go to sleep and even before you start the day. It really makes your skin moisturized throughout the whole day. And trust me, it really works. And last but not least, this is my favorite item. This is the sheet masks, and I use this like 3 or 4 times a week, and it's really helpful because it makes your skin glow, looks flawless before a big day. And I use these before any fan meet or concert or schedule, photo shoots, anything. So this is really important for me. And also, as a special bonus, I've included these photo cards and a thank you card. So these I took especially just for this box. And as you can see, you've got 2 photo cards of me. You can put it in your wallet, carry it around anywhere you want. And also, this thank you card. In the back, there is a handwritten message for you guys, written by me. And I have a special event going on. I'll be signing this thank you card for those of you who purchase on the first 3 days. So if you guys want this signed, make sure to get them right now. And if you guys missed that special event, it is alright because it's going to be on sale for 3 weeks after that. And remember, it's limited edition, so I think you guys would want to check it out as soon as possible. I've put so much effort in preparing this box for you guys. I hope you guys benefit from these products as much as I did. I use these every day again, and I hope that you guys can have healthy and glowing skin. So if you guys want this box, please check the link below, and thank you so much. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye. Kevin's favorite.